Let's be real. People do judge a book by its cover. And in today's competitive publishing world, a boring or messy cover can literally kill your book's chances before anyone even reads a word. So how do you create a book cover that screams "Pick me" from across the room or across the Amazon listing? Stick around, because today I'm sharing the 7 insider secrets to crafting irresistible book covers that sell. This is stuff the pros use, and by the end, you'll be ready to design a cover that turns heads and opens wallets. This cover sold 73 copies. This one, over 7,000. Same author, same story, different design. That's the power of your book cover. Let's unlock those secrets, starting now. Your cover must instantly scream your genre. Romance? Use soft lighting. Emotional expressions, pastel tones. Thriller? Think dark, gritty, bold fonts. Self-help? Clean, confident, modern. If readers can't tell what genre your book is in at first glance, you've already lost them. Less is more. A common mistake is trying to cram every idea into one image. The best covers have one focal point. They create curiosity, not confusion. Think Apple packaging. Think TED Talk thumbnails. Clarity wins. Fonts can make or break your cover. Serif fonts often feel traditional. Sans serif, modern and clean. Script fonts, elegant but risky. And never ever use Comic Sans. Your font should match your tone and genre. Bonus tip, use contrast. Pair a bold title font with a subtle subtitle font. Google Fonts, DaFont, and Creative Market are gold mines. Colors aren't just pretty, they manipulate emotions. Blue builds trust, red creates urgency, yellow pops off the shelf. Choose your palette intentionally. Want a calm, spiritual vibe? Try white and pastels, launching a thriller, dark tones, red accents. Learn the psychology, and you'll make people feel before they even open your book. Most readers will first see your book cover as a tiny thumbnail on their phones. That fancy detail, it's lost. That tiny subtitle, can't read it. Your cover has to work when it's the size of a postage stamp. Bold fonts, high contrast, clear title. Always zoom out to test your design. If you can't read the title at 100 by 150 pixels, redesign it. You don't need to be a design wizard or spend $500. Tools like Canva and BookBrush offer stunning templates. Want a pro touch? Fiverr has talented designers starting at $20. Just make sure you provide a clear brief genre, mood, title, subtitle, and your target audience. Pro tip, always ask for layered PSD or editable files. You'll thank me later. You might love your cover, but what about your readers? Before you publish, test it. Post 2 to 3 options on Facebook groups, Reddit, or even run a poll with friends. Better yet, use tools like PickFu to A/B test covers with your target audience. Sometimes the one you least expect performs best. Don't neglect the back cover. It's prime real estate for your blurb, author bio, and review quotes. A clean spine with readable text is also crucial for physical bookstores and libraries. Everything should look cohesive. Front, back, spine. It's one package, one experience. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to take action. Drop a comment with your book title and genre, and I'll reply with a tip to improve your cover. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with another author friend who needs a cover glow up. Remember, your cover is your first impression. Make it unforgettable.